You cannot create a new volume because the disk already contains the maximum amount of partitions. Wait. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing, like an experiment. And what experiment are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be Septabooting this virtual machine. So we're just going to rename this virtual machine to Septabooting. And if you don't know what Septabooting is, it's basically just booting 7 operating systems at once. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with Windows 2000, and we're going to boot Windows 2000. We're going to do Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Wait a minute. No. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an experiment. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be septabooting like 7 different operating systems all at once. We're going to be septabooting Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Server 2012, Windows 10, Windows 10 LTSC. Yeah, those are all 7 operating systems we're going to be booting. So what we're going to do is I just set this to Windows XP Professional 64-bit edition because we got 8 gigabytes of RAM and 2 CPU cores. And we're going to expand the disk capacity to, we're going to give it like 240 gigabytes, which might, of course, just be like a terrible idea. So, yeah. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go into the CD drive, and of course we're going to start off by installing Windows XP. So that's going to be wait a minute. Is it not there? Like, is it actually not there? Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so we're just going to go and refresh this, of course. Use this one. Click OK. And now we're gonna install, this. But I can't just go around, installing operating systems. It will take a long time. So we're just going to, we gotta do this a lot quicker. So we're just gonna do a timeout. Alright, so we have Windows XP installed and the resolution is terrible. So let's try to set it to 1920 by 1080. Nice, we are running at 1920 by 1080. So that's very nice. So we're going to move the recycle bin to the bottom right like it normally is. Close all these balloon tips. And we're going to set the wallpaper to Bliss just so that, it will just be much better if it's Bliss. Because Bliss, it's a better wallpaper, I'm telling you. So stretch, apply, okay. And yes, this is Windows XP Professional 64-bit edition, which is the version of Windows XP 64-bit edition for AMD 64 machines. So yeah, so we got Windows XP installed. So what's the next version of Windows we're installing, huh? The next version. Well, the next version of Windows we're going to be booting is, of course, Windows Vista. So let's go and put in the Windows Vista ISO now. Oh. Alright, I'll be... Alright, so after some thinking and waiting like an hour, I decided to not install a 64-bit version of Windows because the download was taking forever. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a 32-bit version of Windows Vista for the thing. But first we have to open up disk management, which is just going to be a very terrible idea because it's disk management. Like, come on. Disk... I forgot the command. I'll be right back after searching up the command. Alright, so we are in disk management, and what we're going to do is we're going to split the C drive. So, can you... What? So, apparently you can't split the C drive because that was introduced in Windows Vista. Well, I'm pretty sure that the Windows Vista setup, you know, it should just let us do it. Should is the key word, of course. Oh yeah, let's just hope it lets us do it. So we're gonna go to Windows Vista. Click OK, and then we're going to reboot the system. Restart. Alright, so now it's going to restart, which I hope... Wait, I didn't even click restart. Alright, so now I'm going to restart the computer. And if it asks us for a product key, we are just not going to. Alright, so for some reason it's not. Okay, we're just going to F2. We're gonna set CD-ROM drive to the highest priority. Boot from CD. Windows is loading files. We've got the generic Windows Vista boot screen. You can see there. Generic Windows Vista boot screen. Now, obviously, you cannot upgrade from a 64-bit version of Windows to a 32-bit version of Windows. That would basically just be downgrading the version of Windows. Now, I don't know if the disk management will actually work on Windows Vista setup, but let's just hope that we can get it to work. So we're going to click on Next, Install Now. Please don't ask for a product. Oh my god. And it asked for a product key. So, well, that can only mean one thing. Time to put in the product key. Alright, so we're just going to accept the license terms. Go to custom because upgrade is disabled. Custom. The selected partition. Yeah, this partition. Do we have to reinstall Windows XP? Yes, we probably do have to reinstall Windows XP. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to find a third-party software to create this. I'm going to find an old version of Disk Genius or something like that to, you know, do this. So let's just find an old Disk Genius for Windows XP. Oh, okay, so Disk Genius does work on Windows XP. So we're gonna do free download, and download. We're gonna start Windows normally, of course. We're gonna just download this to Google Drive, my drive. Yeah, sure, that would be nice. Let's just log in very quickly here. Alright, we're logged in and discontinuous is completed. So how I'm gonna get this on here is I'm gonna go to Ultra ISO UAC, so you won't see this. Yes. Let's just hope it doesn't open up on the monitor. Okay, actually I do hope it opens up on the monitor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Google Drive, My Drive, and great, Ultra ISO is not responding, which is bad. I kind of wanted it to respond. Okay, so we gotta relaunch Ultra ISO. Alright, let's go back to Google Drive and copy the file from there to... It's not a valid Win32 application. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna use gparted, which is gonna be like a much easier way of doing this. So we might, if we have to reinstall Windows XP, that's fine. I don't mind reinstalling Windows XP, but I just want to try to, use gparted first. So we're going to, oh boy, gparted live. We're going to reboot the computer again. I'm just going to do a time lapse of, this whole gparted mess. So yeah, actually no, we're not gonna do time lapse. We're gonna go through this. So we're going to, of course, we're gonna start from gparted live default settings. Enter. And yeah, doing gparted always takes a while, so we're just going to do a time lapse. Alright, so you might be asking, wait, where's the time lapse? I thought there was a time lapse. Well, I got rid of it. And you might be asking, wait, why'd you get rid of the time lapse when you said you were gonna do a time lapse? And that's because well, gparted just failed. So, yeah, we just didn't use gparted, which is why you should not use gparted, because it doesn't work half the time. So, from there, I just, I thought I was not going to be able to do the video, and then we weren't even going to be able to do a boot, but then, I did something, so, yeah. Alright, so, I downloaded a Windows Vista thing, and I decided, you know what, let's just reinstall Windows XP. Because we're going to have to reinstall Windows XP anyway. Because I just feel like it's a good idea to reinstall. Actually, what we're going to do is we're just going to skip Windows XP. We don't really need to do it. We're just going to start off with Windows Vista. Then we'll do Windows 7. Windows Server 2012, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows... Oh, crap. Wait, okay, never mind. We're going to be doing Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows Server 2012, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10 LTSC, so that we can have 7 operating systems. Yeah, we can still make this work, okay? So we can click OK. Yeah, we changed plans, very big change of plans. That also means we should probably expand the storage to like 200 or something. Let's give it 240 gigabytes of storage. So 240 gigabytes. Expand. Wait a minute. If we expand it with 240 gigabytes, does that mean we'll have allocated storage to install Windows Vista on? Like, I'm confused. Like, maybe we will. Maybe we won't. Yeah, maybe we can just get through with Windows XP. Let's see what happens. Like, I want to see what happens. Okay, so the CD drive is locked. That's pretty dumb. Let's just, go into here, click on Browse, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Windows, Windows Vista, Windows Vista Ultimate SP264, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just reboot the virtual machine. So let's reboot the virtual machine, and yes, we'll press a key. And you can see we are booting into the Windows Vista setup. So, Yeah, that's nice. We're booting into Windows Vista. And of course, some people hate Windows Vista, but yeah. Man, please wait. Yeah, man, please wait. Please, just, please. Alright. Windows Vista, let's click next. I accept the license terms. And as you can see, we've got disk 0 unallocated space. That's very nice. We can install Windows Vista on this. And as you can see, it's actually working. We can actually install Windows Vista. So yeah, we're getting through this, guys. We are actually doing this. I can't believe this. And since we're going from Windows Vista, it will have the boot menu, so that means we can still boot into XP and, you know, do stuff like that. And since this is Vista, and Vista introduced the shrinking partitions and disk management, we can shrink the partition now, which will be good because I want to get to Windows 7 and then I'll install a third-party program. But I'm probably going to see if I have a Windows 7 x64 ISO. If I don't, well then I will just have to download one. Which, you know what, I probably should just download one. Because I don't know if this ISO will work. So I'm going to go and download this ISO. So we're going to save it here. And it's going to take... okay, that's good. My internet's actually doing... No, I'm not going to jinx myself. Anyways, so yeah, we're going to do a time lapse, I guess. And apparently we got, okay, so we've got this installed. We got 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yep. Windows Vista Ultimate, AMD Ryzen 7 3700U. Yeah, it's normal, but of course, what we're gonna be doing is we gotta get VMware Tools installed because we should probably get a graphics driver installed. Yeah. Don't show this message again. VMware Tools is no longer available for legacy operating systems. Wow, that is amazing. Thankfully, I have VMware Tools 10, which I can just install on the thing. I'll leave a link to VMware Tools 10 in the description. I'll also leave a link to all the ISOs I used because they're gonna be important. So as you can see, I put in the VMware Tools ISO. Let's go to computer, drive E. Yes, allow, sure, why not? Because I don't care what's going on. We're gonna close the autoplay. We're gonna close Explorer. Well, not, yeah, Windows Explorer, yeah. And we're gonna wait for VMware Tools installation to prepare. So yeah, there's literally nothing open right now. I'm kind of concerned. There's no screen resolution thing. Oh, there we go. There's the Windows installer preparing to install. VMware Tools. Sure, we'll do a complete installation. No, we'll do a typical installation of VMware Tools. Alright, so we got VMware Tools installed. Let's see if we can change the screen resolution. Screen resolution. Well, oh my god, I can't close it. Personalization. Display settings. How many monitors does it think I have? What on earth? Okay, that's just crazy. We're gonna set it to 1920 by 1080. Apply. Yes. And as you can see, we are now running at 1920 by 1080. But of course, let's try running Windows Aero. Windows Aero. I've actually never run Windows Aero on Windows Vista before. And yeah, I've actually never run Windows Aero on Windows Vista, so this is gonna actually be my first time, and it works, guys. First time getting Windows Aero on Windows Vista. Oh yeah. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up disk management. Your files are being indexed. Yeah, I'm just trying to open up disk management, okay? Oh man, the Windows Vista search is so great, guys. It's the best search ever. Yeah, Windows Vista search is the best. Alright, that's like a giant. And to prove this is Windows Vista, I'll run WinVer Windows Vista Ultimate Service Pack 2, build 6002. We can go to computer properties, Windows Vista Ultimate. Yeah, very nice. And you can see there that it's working. 4 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system. Now we gotta open up disk management again. Let's just try running the search again. I don't know. Disk. Okay, it's not there. Why is it not there? It's alright. Computer management. Computer management. Continue. Alright, let's go to disk management. Alright, we're here. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna shrink this volume. We're going to split it in half. Okay, new simple volume. Next. Yeah. Drive letter S for 7. We're gonna call it Windows 7. Perform a quick format. NTFS file system, of course. Next. Finish. And there we go. We got the Windows 7 thing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the CD drive and put in Windows 7 Ultimate, which will be nice. close out of autoplay, close this. And now we're going to reboot the system. So restart. And you can see it's, restarting our computer. Press any key. Alright, Windows is loading files. And we're booting into the Windows 7 setup. Yay! We're booting into the Windows 7 setup. And at this time, it's probably a very good idea to download Windows Server 2012 ISO, because I don't have it downloaded. We're going to just go to the Internet Archive. I'm just going to do this while it loads. Okay. Windows Server 2012. I guess we'll just use the R2 release. Anyways, we're gonna go back to the VM, click next, install now. Setup is starting, and I'm just gonna do another time lapse, so. Alright, time to install guest editions. Wait, this isn't VirtualBox. Oh, time to install VMware Tools. Another time lapse. Yeah. This is the best. What? Bro, this is the best time. This is literally the best time for my graphics driver to just crash. Well, VMware is freaking broken. Guys, I think VMware is broken. What happened? Alright, so, apparently my graphics driver crashed, and, it was installing VMware Tools, and then it just crashed. This is never a good thing. I was trying to install the graphics driver on the VM, not my actual computer. What? Alright. Alright, I'll be right back after I restart my, VMware. So, since I'm an idiot that cannot set up OBS Studio correctly, I didn't record the audio. So, we don't have audio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the classic text and music thing that I always do, until I realize that I forgot to record audio. So yeah. it's the next. Alright, so it's been like 2 days, and ISO finally downloaded. So we're gonna just install Windows Server 2012. Yeah. So let me just put in the ISO. So we'll go to Windows. We'll go to Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2012 R2. Yeah, this is R2, not the original. I know. But yeah, we're just going to reboot the system here. Restart. And we'll install the fourth operating system that, we wanted to install. Yeah, so I'll be back once we, never mind. Okay, so I'll press the key to boot from CD or DVD. So now it's loading files. And we got the Windows 8 logo. We have just moved on. And we've got the spinning dots animation that was used up until Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 10. Oh, wow, that was fast. Windows Server 2012 R2. Oh yeah. I'm gonna click next. Install now. Setup is starting. This is gonna be nice, isn't it? We're gonna do. Oh wow, there's actually a couple. There's Windows Server 2012 R2 Standard Edition. Windows, which is the server core thing. This option is recommended. Okay, let's click next, I guess. Accept the license terms. Custom. What? What? No signed devices were found. Alright, so I got a better idea for what's gonna be the next operating system. I decided that I was gonna not dual boot. I was going to install a Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So I'll be back after that ISO downloads. Yay! Alright, so it's been actually a while, and I finally got the Windows 8 ISO. So we're going to be installing Windows 8, and then we're going to be doing Windows 8. What? Oh, I paused the VM. I don't want to pause the VM. Let's go to Removable Devices, CD, the DVD drive. Let's go to Settings, Browse. Let's go to Windows. Oh, there is a Windows 8.1 ISO, so there's a Windows 8 ISO as well, so we don't have to download another ISO. At least I don't think we do. Okay, so now we're going to reboot, and hopefully this should, work just fine. Like, should be able to boot from the ISO, and then we should be able to install. So let's press key, and we're booting into the setup. So yeah, I guess this, please tell me this works. I really want this to work. So yeah, we're loading into the setup now. Okay, there we go, Windows 8. We're gonna click next. We're gonna click install now. This is actually the first time I've used actual Windows 8, not Windows 8.1, Windows 8.0. This is like the first time I've used it. So yeah, I can't wait to actually see what on earth. Oh no! So we need to enter a product key, and you can't skip this. So I'll be back after entering the product key. Yay! Alright, so I got past that, so let's accept the license terms, custom install, and there we go. This is called Windows Server 2012. Let's just install it here because, yeah. And as you can see, it is now installing. So this might take a while. So, yeah, I guess we're going to do a time lapse. Alright, guys, and it actually works. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna choose this epic green color. Not this green color, or this. Oh my, this green color. But what green color should we really pick? There's so many good options, to be honest. Let's go with this. We'll call this Septabooting. So Septabooting, because yeah. Wait, I just realized this would make so much freaking sense. We're gonna customize it here, because don't turn off sharing. Don't actually get device drivers, of course. Don't set up Windows Update. Turn off. Next. Oh, I like how all of these are finally off. Like, Microsoft turned them off in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, but not in Windows 10. This was just confusing. Alright, so we're just gonna click on next. Check online. Let's turn all of this off. Yeah, let's turn all of that off. Use your favorite thing. Sign in without a Microsoft account. I do not want to sign in with a Microsoft account. So right here, we're gonna put in my name, Rootwick. For some reason, the R wasn't capital. I pressed the Shift key. Don't know why it's not capital. Hi. While we're getting things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. Wait, what? Oh, so it's like a tour? Wait, it's like a tour? After your PC is ready, move your mouse into any corner. Oh, that's like to open up the charms bar. So it's basically like teaching you the gestures. So like the gestures, huh? They really had a big emphasis on the gestures. I'm gonna press Control Alt Insert. You can't get out of it. That is just insane. So, there we go. Now we can open up Task Manager, and we are in with you can see here we've got the Windows 8 wallpaper, and there it says Windows 8 Pro build 9200, not 9600, and the start button is missing. Oh my god, guys, where'd the start button go? Well, this is Windows 8, not Windows 8.1, so the start button was gone. So you gotta press the start button on your keyboard, and then you can start typing for like apps and stuff. So what are we gonna do now, you might ask? We're gonna get VMware Tools installed, and this is gonna be, boring. Like, it's always gonna be boring. So we're just gonna go to Browse, and then we're gonna go to Windows 7, VMware Tools. Okay. Now let's go open up. Wait, what's going? Okay, let's open up File Explorer, and you can see the mouse cursor is flatter. So yeah, we'll go to Computer. We'll go to the DVD drive. We'll click on Yes. I do want to change this label though, because this Windows Server 2012. I want to change like the label. Let's go to Properties. Yeah, let's like rename this. Maybe we can call this like Windows 8. Apply. Continue. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So now it's renamed. It's Windows 8 now. So that's nice. Wait, is it gonna install? Oh, there we go. The installer is loading up. Preparing to install. And then we'll click next. And I'm just gonna go through this. So time lapse. Well, guys, we've got Windows 8 installed. Let's prove this here. I'll run WinVer. I'll open up computer properties. There we go. We got Windows 8 installed, which is actually gonna be nice because yeah, we got Windows 8 installed. Yeah. So what are we gonna be doing now? Windows 8 Pro. We're gonna be installing Windows 8.1 now. So we gotta run disk man. I can't spell today, right? Disk management. What is it? Oh my! What? Look at the Bing logo. Look at the Bing logo. What? What? Alright, where's computer management? Computer management. So for some reason, computer management is like gone or something. I don't know. What happened to computer management? Like, you can't click on the thing because yeah, you can't. There's no start menu. There's literally no start Okay, what? We just got a blinking cursor. What on earth is going on? No. Requested power operations already in progress. Restart. What do you mean a power operation is in progress? Like, shut down? Did the system just lock up? Failed to reset virtual machine. Did the system just lock up? Let's try rebooting again. Okay, there we go. What was that about? That was just insane. I'm not even joking. Okay, we're just going to boot into Windows 7 for disk management to do stuff. So yeah, let's just boot into Windows 7, guys. Well, okay, we are logging into Windows 7. Alright, we're in Windows 7 again. Let's go to computer management. Let's go to disk management. Let's shrink our Windows XP partition. Querying volume for available shrink space. And apparently we cannot shrink a volume. Alright, so what are we going to do? We're going to shrink this Windows. Let's just go into... let's see how much space we got left. We got some space left on Windows Vista. So, I guess we'll shrink Windows Vista. I mean, I don't know. Like, should we really shrink Windows Vista? Should we give this VM, like, more space or what? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we give this more space. So let's just, like, shut down the VM. Did the VM just crash? The VM just... Okay, no, it actually shut down. So it just gave the signal to shut down. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to expand the hard drive. Let me just see how much free space I have on my computer real quick. Let's see. Let's go to this PC. Oh my god. It's taking so long. It's taking forever. Look at this. So yeah, I'll be back after I find out how much free space I have on my computer. Alright, so I figured out we only have 88 gigabytes of free space. So I'm gonna free up some space real quick. Alright, so we have 130 gigabytes free. So I feel like we should just give them all to like the actual see, right now we've got 240 gigs. Let's expand the drive. We'll just put it to like 400 gigabytes, even though we don't have 400 gigabytes of disk space. We're just going to expand the virtual disk, I guess. There we go. It's expanded successfully. You must reboot. Let's power on the virtual machine. And let's hope that this works. We already lost, like, now we only have 126 gigabytes of free space. But, yeah, hopefully we'll be able to do this. Of course, we're going to boot back into Windows 7 for disk management. So I'm going to be back once we're loaded into Windows 7. Alright, so we've got our Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, so Windows 8, Windows 8.1. So we've got like 5 partitions on here. So we're gonna make 2 more later. We're gonna make Windows 10 and Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows like we're gonna like split this. So let's just get a 50 gigabyte partition, like 50,000 megabytes. Next, we're gonna give it the P drive. I'm gonna call this Windows 10. Okay, next, finish. You cannot create a new volume because the disk already contains the maximum amount of partitions. Wait, what? We can only make... Okay. Well, so now that has happened, let's go and install Windows 8.1. Because, you know, we got Windows 8 installed, but we don't have Windows 8.1 installed. So, you know, let's just do that. We'll go into Windows 8.1, Windows 8.1 x64. Okay. And let's reboot the computer. Again. Restart. And yeah, we're going to install Windows 8.1 to the 50 gigabytes of free space that we have. Which, of course... No, we're going to try making a new partition from, like, the installer. Let's hope that we can create a new partition from the installer, because that will be important. So this is Windows 8.1, not Windows 8, of course. Setup is starting. Now you probably have seen me install Windows 8.1 on another video. Or yeah, because yeah, I installed Windows 8.1, and great, we have to put in a product key. So I'll be right back. Yeah, and the product key works. I accept. Next, custom. We can find any drives to get a storage driver. Click load driver. Oh no! Oh no! So yeah, we can't like install the device driver. I'm gonna have to troubleshoot this. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, we actually got this to work, and what I have to do is I have to create a SATA drive. So yeah, that was just crazy. We have to create a freaking SATA drive. So yeah, now we're just gonna do a time lapse. Alright, so we're going to click on finish, and we're clicking on no because we're going to manually restart the computer. So we're going to open up the start screen, click on restart, and now it will be restarting. But what I want to do is I'm going to boot into the BIOS to change some settings, because what I had to do to get Windows 8.1 to install was change the boot order. So we're going to have to wait, no, we should install Windows 10. We should install all the operating systems first, and then we should, do that. So now we're gonna just press Control R here because it's gonna take like a very long time. And you can see here, you might think that I just deleted everything, but rest assured, if I reboot here, I should wait. No, what I meant to do was go into the hard drive. Wait, what? Okay, so preparing automatic repair. Okay, this is gonna be terrible. Let's just reboot again and press. How do we expand this? Like, do we press like plus? Okay, we'll enter setup. And then hard. Okay, there we go. So these are what we need. So we got a SCSI drive and we got a hard drive. Um, I don't know what's going on, but whatever's going on, I see if we put the SCSI drive. If we put the SCSI drive in the beginning, then it's going to just okay, there we go. I think you're booted. Okay. Oh, but no, but then we get this boot menu. As you can see, we get this boot menu, and I don't think we can migrate this to SATA, because the reason I was doing these in like SCSI is because I don't think Windows XP would like work. Let's just see if Windows XP still works, because I want to see if it still does. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're logging in. Welcome. And we're in. And VMware Tools is installed. So what we're gonna... Why can't I right click? What on earth happened? Okay, I guess everything just crashed. Oh my god, Clipchamp, my video editor just crashed. Anyways, we're gonna set this to 1920 by... Whoa, what is going on? I'm so confused right now. Apply. Keep changes. Okay. Okay, and... okay, what is happening right now? I am so confused. Where are the icons? Like, where are the icons? Did I turn... Oh, I turned it off. Show desktop icons. Oh my gosh. That was just insane. That was just freaking insane. Okay, so now we're gonna just put in Windows 10 1607. Wait, no. First we gotta make the disk, don't we? Like, don't we gotta make the disk and disk management first? And whatever, we'll make it like later. Okay, so we'll just go into my drive, ISO archive. Where is it? Where's ISO archive? ISO archive. Windows 10 builds. Windows 10. Wait. Okay, I guess we'll go with 17868. I mean, I'm not sure, but I wonder. Oh my God, is there a bug in this room? I don't know, but we got Windows 10 1607. There we go. Windows 10 1607. Let's click on OK. Let's go to disk management. Yeah. Okay, but the computer's frozen. Wait. Oh. I like how Windows 8.1 just has that. That's pretty nice. We'll go to disk man. Oh boy, it's not working. Computer management. I think it's in administrative tools. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Oh, computer management. That's where it is. We've also got like stuff like there we go. Computer management. Oh, there was. Oh wait, no, that was the SCSI initiator. I think that's what we needed to run, but you couldn't run it from there. We're gonna go to disk management, not device management. They have the same icon, I think. Shrink volume. So now we're gonna split it in half. Okay, so now we got a new simple volume. Next, drive letter L. We're gonna call this Windows 10 1607. They're gonna click on next, finish. My God, please tell me. And then we'll split this in Windows 10. So let's reboot the computer again. Okay, there we go. The drive is there. Restart. Now it's rebooting. Yeah. So requested power operation is already in progress. Wait, so do we have, why is there a blank screen? Okay. Restarting. I'll be back once this is doing something. Alright, we're gonna press a key. And we are, okay, we're booting. We're booting from the Windows 10 setup. At least I hope I hope we are, cause it's the same logo and the boot animation is not happening. So, did it lock up? It might have actually locked up. I'm not even joking. Okay, let's press a key again. Is this ISO file like corrupted or something? Oh, there we go. Yeah, we just needed to restart it. So yeah, I'll be back once this is, done. Wait, never mind. Okay, so now we are here. So now we can click next, install now. Setup is starting. That's very nice. Oh boy, let's see if this works. Does it work? Oh, we need a thank God there's an I don't have a product key button, because that's nice. Let's get Windows 10 Pro, because why not? And this is gonna take forever. Oh wait, I shouldn't have picked Pro. I should have picked Home, because that would have taken less storage. Oh, this is the license terms. I accepted it. Okay, maybe it didn't register. Okay, Windows 10 1607. Next. Yes! Yes, it's happening. Let's go. Well, yeah, time lapse, I guess. Alright, so we've got Windows 10 build 1607 installed, and oh my god! Oh my god, what is going on? It's glitching. It's so glitching right now. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I've just opened up computer management, and this is gonna take 10 millenniums, isn't it? Oh boy, this is gonna take 10 millenniums. Yeah. Adding snap into the okay, what was that about? Okay, we're gonna open up disk management. Finally, device manager and disk management have different icons, which is nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shrink. Wait, what drive are we? Oh god, no, don't. Okay, thank god. Okay, we're going to shrink the D drive. Querying volume for available shrink space, and you can't shrink it. Great, that's nice. Let's shrink this volume. Okay, there we go. We can shrink that. There's not enough space on the disk. Okay, let's shrink the volume. Wait, no, I'm pretty sure you're going to have to freaking, I don't know. What are we at? What are we? We are using like 10 gigabytes. And we should have enough. We should. Should is the keyword. Let's like make this like 42. Oh my god. Let's make this 42 gigabytes. Shrink. And then it will say we're running out of space. New simple volume. Next. Sure. We're gonna call this Windows 10. It's gonna be a random Windows 10 build. Finish. Oh, and it's a logical partition, so that's dumb. Okay, let's change the D drive label. Let's go to properties. And we'll call this Windows 8.1. Okay, apply. Okay. Now what are we gonna do? We're going to insert the disk. Yeah, the disk. We're gonna insert the disk for the Windows 10 build, and then we're gonna have to try to install Windows 10, and let's hope this goes well. Like, please let this go well. Okay, we're gonna put in the Windows 10 ISO, and we're going to we're gonna reboot. Okay, the start menu is going freaking insane, so we're just gonna restart. Yeah, we might be cooked. Okay, we're gonna press a key. Oh, we're gonna go 64-bit, and I'll be back in a bit. Yeah. back, and I figured out why it's taking forever. And that's because I actually have to just I have to give it more than one CPU core. So we can't edit this because it's okay. So I guess we do have to go through this entire thing and let it take 10 milli. Okay. We're still working. Okay. So restoring virtual machine state. Okay. So we're still setting things up. Oh boy, this is gonna be amazing. Can we just like go to Shift F10? Wait, no, Shift F9. What? Oh, there we go. Okay, we have to skip the network. OOBE/bypass NRO. What do you mean? What do you mean it's not a command? Is it like this? No. What do you mean? OOBE is the... Can you not skip this? Like, can you not? Okay, we're just gonna turn off the network adapter. Disconnect. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Oh, we're on the network portion as well. Alright, so now that there's no network, hopefully it will, like, hurry up. So we're gonna continue the time lapse. Alright. Alright, so we got Windows 10. This is the newest version of Windows 10. If I open up WinVer, you can see. Oh my god, it's so slow. Okay, this is 22H2. I don't know why it's glitching so much. Oh my, okay, it's glitching like so much. I don't know why. It's 22H2 though. We'll go to properties here. Oh my, it's gonna open up the settings app. The settings app is always so glitchy. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it just glitch. I don't know if this is the VM or the monitor, but it's just glitching. Is this the VM or the monitor? Like, I don't know. Anyways, it's 22H2. Yeah, you can see, yeah, it's 22H2. So yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of today's video. Wait, not yet, because I want to show you guys all the... Oh my god! The start menu is just freaking insane. I think this is the VM because this never happens like anywhere else. Like let's try opening up the start menu here. No, let's start. Oh, it's opening there. I'm gonna try moving like a file explorer window. There we go. There's that. And now let's open up like the start menu here. Yeah, it's not glitching because it's not like it's the VM. This is what is this? What? It's like we got the MEMS virus or something. Okay, this is just freaking insane. Let's like reboot the VM and it's still glitching. Virtual VMware is just freaking broken, guys. Let's enter setup here because we're gonna try and see if each one works. So we're gonna make the SCSI drive first. Now we're gonna exit saving changes, and of course we're going to now load into the setup, and we're gonna go through each version of Windows to see if it works. So yeah, let's go to earlier version of Windows. This should be Windows XP. Let's see if it is. Windows XP 64-bit edition. That's good. Oh wow, that started up super fast. This is the only one with a password, I think. Yeah, there we go. And we are in, and we can open up WinVer here, because we just can. What do you mean? Oh, so I spelled it wrong. WinVer, there we go. We can open up the computer properties, I guess, if you want to. Yeah, this is 1920 by 1080. You know, maybe we should turn off free stretch mode. Wait, we're not in 1920 by 1080? Oh my gosh, we're not at 1920 by 1080, so we'll keep that in full stretch mode. Don't know why, because I'm pretty sure we turned that off. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure we turned that off. Yeah, the highest is 1152 by 864. So, yeah, anyways, we got Windows XP. This is Service Pack 2, of course. Oh, so we got 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's nice. So yeah, let's reboot and go into Windows Vista. Yeah, Windows Vista. So yeah, restart. We don't have the sound driver? I don't think we got the sound driver. No, we do have the sound card. We have it. So what, is sound just like not gonna work? I don't know if sound works, which is actually very scary. Let's go to Microsoft Windows Vista. We got the very, there we go. We got the very boring Windows Vista boot screen. It's so boring. And you can see here, there's not going to be any problems with like rendering, I hope. Because Windows 10 seems to be the only problem. We have Windows Vista. Oh, the sound works. For some reason, it played the logon sound before the startup sound. That was just really weird. And the welcome center is opened automatically. So yeah, anyways, we got Windows Arrow, which is like very nice. So we'll keep it open. We'll run WinVer, okay. So Windows Vista Ultimate, the best version of Windows Vista. Let's also open up computer. Okay, yeah, this is Windows Vista Ultimate Service Pack 2. We got 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, well, this is the same, but this is Windows Vista Ultimate Service Pack 2. Yeah, you can see Windows Vista works just fine. It boots into it. So let's restart the computer again. And then we can go into Windows 7. So yeah, Windows 7. Yeah, let's start it, reboot. And it's gonna go back into the Windows 8 boot screen, because that's the newest version of Windows, and that's the bootloader it's got. So we're gonna go to Windows 7. Yeah, Windows 7. It's gonna reboot, and then it will start starting Windows. And there we go. We got the animation. See, here it doesn't play the logon sound, and we're in Windows 7 with Windows Arrow, of course, and we got Disk Genius. We can run the computer properties. We can run WinVer. So Windows 7 Ultimate. This is Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1. So yeah, because there was no Service Pack 2 for Windows 7. So yeah, it's build 6701, and we got this. Wait, do all the files show up? Wait, hold on. You must restart your computer. Restart later. Wait, what? Oh my god, we got all the drives. I can't believe this. We got all the drives here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and then just send this, because this just freaking looks amazing. Just look at this. Of course, we got Windows 3D, or Arrow 3D. I forgot what this is called. Yeah, I think this is Flip 3D. Yeah, I think it's called Flip 3D. If you guys know what this is, please leave a comment. But we actually got all the drives. That's just insane. So yeah, the fact that it installed the SATA driver is like just insane. So we're just going to reboot the computer, and we're gonna go into Windows 8. Windows 8.0, not 8.1. So yeah, let's reboot. And then it will go back in here. Windows 8 boot screen. Then we're going to go into Windows 8. And a moment of truth. Okay, There we go. It's logging in. Rootwick. Welcome. And yeah, we are here. Okay, this just looks terrible. Okay. Oh, so Windows 8.1 has like a different animation, I think. Cause yeah. Anyways, we can run like WinVer here. Is sound working on Windows 8? I don't know. It's still called computer in Windows 8. Okay, all the drives are still showing up. Because I think the driver installed. So yeah, anyways, we got all the drives. We got Windows 8.0 working just fine, as you can see. Let's go into, wait. How do you, okay, we're going to go to the charms bar. Because the charms bar looks very nice. So you have to restart it from here. That's something weird about Windows 8. Why is that look so weird? Oh god. We gotta boot, escape. Okay, we gotta boot from the, no, I don't know if this is the real one. Please tell me we booted from the other hard drive, the SATA hard drive. If we didn't, we're gonna have to restart the virtual machine again. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to restart this again. Okay, let's go escape again, enter setup, boot, hard drives, SATA goes on top this time, save. And let's hope that we're gonna boot from this. I don't know which one this is. They're like the same boot screen. They didn't change it. They only changed it. They skipped it. Oh yeah. I'm pressing a key. Okay, there we go. Windows 8.1. And it should restart the VM, right? Like, will it restart the VM? I don't know actually. Yeah, it restarts the VM. And we got the same boot screen. Oh my gosh, we got like the same boot. Oh yeah, we gotta skip this checking. Oh, okay, there we go. And we got like a limeish green. And there we go. We are in Windows 8.1. Apparently we never opened up WinVer here. Let's open it up for the first time. Okay, maybe we did open up WinVer, but still. Let's go into this. Okay, so the SCSI driver is not installed. So on SCSI operating systems, it'll install the SATA driver, but on the SATA operating systems, it will not install the SCSI drivers. Probably because SATA is newer than SCSI, I think. I don't know. You can see we're in Windows 8.1. Nice, it works just fine. You can see. Let's go to Windows 10 1607. I think that's restart. Yes, that is restart. So let's go to Windows 10 1607. Because we installed Windows 10 twice because we couldn't get server 2012. Okay. Why does it keep on saying disk checking? Like, I don't know why it's doing that. But anyways, we got Windows 10 on volume 3. This is Windows 10 1607. We installed this because we couldn't get server 2012 working. Because I think if we got a SATA hard drive like earlier, we would have gotten it to work. Anyways, thanks to Neptune again. Neptune is like helping in like so many videos. Neptune and Lag Life, bro. Like, because I know barely anything about tech. So shout out to Neptune and Lag Life, because they literally help most of the time. Like with Windows 10 build 9867 part 2, which it should be coming out soon. Like, I don't know when it's gonna come out, but it should be coming out like very soon. Yeah, whenever that comes out, yeah, Lag Life helped me with that video. So yeah. Anyways, we are in Windows 10. We got dark taskbar. I'm pretty sure the 2019 update is when they had like a light taskbar. So yeah, let's run like WinVer again. Did we run WinVer here? I don't know. Okay, so let's run WinVer. It's 1607. Okay, let's open up File Explorer. Properties. There we go. Oh, so we did have a window. Oh, so there was like this in control panel. Because, you know, it did something different in settings. And we did Windows 10 Pro. You can see it's copyrighted to 2016 Microsoft Corporation. Because this was the 2016 update. Windows is not activated. Okay, nice. That's very nice. Now let's reboot. And you can see there's something very wrong with Windows 10 in VMware. I don't know why it's doing this. It's doing this in 1607 and 22H2, which is just very concerning. Like, what is going on there? Okay, we're going to restart again. I like how the restart screen on Windows 10 1607. Okay, why is there no spinning dots? Okay, wait. Anyways, we're gonna boot again. Let's hope it doesn't say that thing about disk checking again. It probably will. Yep, it did. So let's press a key. I pressed the key! I swear I pressed the key! Okay, there we go. Let's boot into Windows 10 22H2. So yeah, it should just boot. It shouldn't like restart. Okay, yeah, there we go. And okay, it's still glitching on the login screen. That's just terrible. And of course, I'm also running Windows 10 22H2. I'll just bring up WinVer here. WinVer. We can bring up my WinVer for me. This is WinVer 22H2. Yeah, you can see. I want to bring this in like when I have this WinVer open, so that we're like, oh, so there's like two WinVers open, and you can see 22H2 takes the most amount of time to start up, mostly because there's only one CPU core on this VM. I don't know why I gave it one CPU core. I thought that would be enough. It's not enough. It will never be enough. Never. Okay, we got Windows. Okay, so we already got the glitches going on, which is just amazing. Okay, so yeah, it is not the monitor. What on earth is going on? Oh, that is just insane. Let's also bring WinVer here, so it looks very, very. It looks so weird with like We've got two WinVers open, and we've got this. So yeah, that's like gonna work out just fine. Let's just hope. Let's open up the start menu. When we open up the start menu, it always just goes insane. Wait, okay, that was just crazy. I'm not even joking. Okay, so we got the no. What on earth? The Microsoft Edge logo is just floating. Why? That looks like a static TV image. We got the downloads icon. Like we got mail, photos, restart. This just looks insane. What? It's just glitching. Look at this. This isn't my monitor. This isn't because I didn't even install anything on here. I installed nothing. Why is it doing this? What is wrong with VMware and Windows 10? I think this is because like the virtual machine is set to Windows XP, so it's not used to handling like these like graphics or like these like style things. So yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.